Hi, I'm Erik Lindahl. I'm professor in biophysics, and my team developed GROMACS, which is one of the most widely used codes of supercomputers in the world. What do you use these codes? Well, in terms of GROMACS, it accounts for roughly 5% of all supercomputing cycles worldwide, and we particularly use it to simulate motions of proteins, the workhorse molecules in our bodies that constitute everything from the molecules that bind oxygen, antibodies, you name it. The faster these simulations are, the more we can say about biology. So there's an extreme interest both from us as scientists and vendors like Intel to speed up the simulations to create more value. We have long developed this for GPUs. The problem is that historically every single GPU API is different. You need to have one version of your code for every window. So that when Intel started working on SYCL a few years ago and their own GPU implementations, we got in touch and figured that should we see that if we can A, get this running really well on Intel hardware, but B, C, can we write code that's truly performance portable so that it works well everywhere? And what you're seeing here is the results and the success of these 3 years of work. So Andrei Alexenko in my team has written code that not only works on Intel hardware, but the Intel team helped us create code that will literally run anywhere. And it will run anywhere as a single binary. So what you're seeing here is code running remotely in Stockholm on a workstation that happens to have one Intel GPU, one NVIDIA GPU, and one AMD GPU. And the particular simulation here not only runs on either of them, it is running on all three of them at the same time as a single binary. So you effectively have a third of this system running on NVIDIA hardware, a third on AMD hardware, and a third on Intel hardware, syncing 500 times per second. So to us, it's a remarkable example that A, we can achieve performance portability. We lose maybe 10% compared to a native API, but we're saving years of development work, and it's exceptionally stable. So SYCL is a fully supported platform in GROMACS. Every single merge we do is tested instantly on SYCL, and we strongly encourage users and developers to move to vendor-independent APIs and performance portability. Thank you.